at this. Deep in the court, going away from the way. No chance for...
And now London. So 3 out of the 4 this year. Alex has played Nîmes and London. He was due to play in Hong Kong, but unfortunately had to withdraw through injury. So that... Lovely shot making, ball striking from Alex de Minaur. He loves to move forward, he's so good at that.
Oh.
I mean, Minaur-Ruud told us yesterday the life of a tennis player is tough. When you're on the court, you're just suffering.
It's like a great life. de Minaur forward. Doesn't pay off. 3 points for the Norwegian. That's a better start with the bonus card.
Crucially. Big hitting once again from de Minaur. That is the end of regular time, so into quarter points we go.
First player to 15.
Certainly advantage Ruud, but it's going to... Casper Ruud takes the opening quarter in the UTS Grand Final in London.
It was a semi-final in Oslo last year. You won that one. The Oslo crowd were probably against you. The London crowd, do you think they're with you?
I hope so. Let's go. I need to get fired up. Let's see if I can give this crowd something to cheer for.
Bravo. Go through. To a fast start here.
Green 0 de Minaur.
On the front foot. Stepping in de Minaur.
Such a good passing shot from Ruud, and how he needed it at this point.
Aguanta alguna más antes de subir. Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Oh yes, and he's very deliberate in his actions, de Minaur. You saw on the last point.
Looks like 10. And that's Casper's fault. I say Casper using...
It's hard to tell, isn't it?
Tried again, Ruud.
That in?
This is how you play.
Which is hard to believe now. But so much of it is at what's a high level.
Oh, Casper Ruud digging one out. The back of the court, outside the big serve. On a big point. Big point.
Oh, painted the line and off he goes to the buzzer.
11-10, Domino.
Right on time. What a point. What a forehand from Minaur.
Oh, well played. Very well played by Alex Minaur. How crucial is winning that bonus card? Gives him a really nice...
Wow, this final is tied at 1. He told us he was getting warm. He got a lot warmer in the second quarter. Alex Minaur, forward and back, side to side. 15-10, he takes the second quarter. We started with 8. As Pedro Class said to Cat,
by the way.
And don't hold your hands up, keep them on the racket. Oh, yes. It was a question of who blinks first. Minaur unleashed on that forehand. He'd had enough of the back-to-back.
Vamos, vamos. Go, go.
He is seeing the ball. Oh, wow. He's on a hot streak right now.
7-2, Domino.
He knew Casper was coming, Jenny.
Can do no wrong right now. Really is mightily impressive. If you're Casper Ruud, just going to try and do your best on the card, see if you can get back into this quarter.
Beautiful. Just
I think that's long. Yeah. Well played. He's gone for that type of return a couple of times, Ruud, but just can't quite get the depth on it, and it's allowed Alex Minaur to be ultra aggressive. for the Aussie in this final.
Yeah, Minaur simply got too much time to...
And he's taken his opportunity.
14-10, Minaur.
Well played, Alex Minaur. He has gone up a notch or two in the last 2 quarters. He's won.
Bravo. Bravo, Alex. Bravo, Alex. Cuidado con el cambio desde muy afuera, ¿eh? Vamos, vamos.
Oh, wow, Casper, you don't need to repaint the lines, my friend. As good as they are, because you are that good. Look at this, deep in the court, going away from the way. No chance for them.
Oh, he's made it. He has made it. One for you.
Yes, come on. I've had to wait all this time.
Don't you anger her.
Bravo, bravo. Drop.
Minaur saves the card. It will not be 3 for Casper Ruud. It's a 10-6 lead for the Australian. Under pressure, Minaur coming forward.
Come on.
Casper is still in the house.
11-7, Minaur.
Casper Ruud goes long. 3.
Is our 2026 UTS Grand Final champion. He is the back-to-back champion, and he has made UTS history, the first